Santa Claus may get a little soaked when he is delivering presents tomorrow night. Meteorologist Lauren Casey tracking a very wet start to Christmas, but a little bit of concern about lightning, Lauren.
Absolutely, yeah, but I talked to Santa. He said he has radar on board with the reindeer, so he has that lightning data. He'll be able to track the rainfall and avoid that, so good news there.
And they're reindeer, so they're used to it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we do, though, seriously have some concerning weather that is going to be moving in. We're dealing with a threat for heavy rainfall, the potential of flooding, and widespread damaging winds. So start to plan now for the possibility, I know, of power outages on Christmas Eve. Current conditions right now, though, we are quiet, 43 degrees with some high-level cloud cover in Philadelphia, 41 in Allentown, clear skies at the freezing mark in the Poconos. Temperatures, though, generally in the 40s across the area. For tonight, partly cloudy, not as cold. We're at 38 degrees. And then for our day tomorrow, things getting going as that storm approaches. Our high temperature, 60 degrees. Not going to stay there for long. Rain developing throughout the day, overspreading the area from west to east. Strong gusty winds increasing as we head throughout the day as well. So futurecast showing us it's going to be windy, but normal windy in the morning. Then as we head into the second half of the day, the evening hours, those winds are going to start howling, gusting up to 40, 45, 50 miles per hour. Second half of the evening, those winds are going to become outrageous. So yeah, you want to have all of those Santa decorations, Christmas decorations indoors at this point, with wind gusts to 50, 60 plus miles per hour. And then we could even see some winds and gusts in excess of 60, even 70 miles per hour closer to the coast at the height of the storm at around midnight, 2 a.m. And then by Friday morning, still windy, but much less so, and not damaging winds. Future weather showing us as far as the rain is concerned, starting off dry early tomorrow morning, but especially west of I-95, that rain moving in pretty quickly. Rain continuing throughout the day in our western PA suburbs, overspreading I-95 for the second half of the day. Jersey, you'll get this in the evening hours, and then everyone seeing steady, heavy rain with the potential of embedded strong and severe thunderstorms as we head into the overnight period. By Friday morning, Christmas morning, rain moving out. Could see a few snow showers working through, or even snow squalls on the back edge, so do stay tuned to that as well, especially if you have to commute about. Watch out for a couple of squalls on Friday afternoon. Future weather showing us these rainfall amounts in excess of 1, 2, 3 plus inches. We'll see the highest amounts where we do have that flood watch in effect, Lehigh Valley, Berks County, far northwestern suburbs, and the Poconos. So after the rain moves out and the winds start to calm down, it is going to be a cold and blustery Christmas. Our high temperature is going to occur at midnight. Otherwise, expect temperatures near freezing all day. Still windy, snow shower possible, wind chills falling down into the teens by late in the day on Christmas. And it is going to be a white Christmas for some. Blizzard conditions up to a foot of snow in parts of Minnesota. Check out western Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh, parts of western Virginia. You're going to see a white Christmas, but for us, that's about it. Just a chance of that snow shower or snow squall as we head into our Christmas holiday. And that it is going to be a cold weekend ahead. Low temperatures falling down into the low 20s for Saturday and Sunday. By next Monday, again, could be talking about a chance for rain and just a wintry mix.
All right, Lauren, thank you.